Hi friends, let me show you this new dog's car seat that I received for reviewing purposes. It comes in a vacuum bag, so it will be delivered with less volume. When you receive it, of course, you have to open it. You get all the information. You can iron it, you can machine wash it. You can, of course, when you open it, you have to give it some time so it breathes itself. And you want to use a hair dryer like to have all the wrinkles gone because of the packaging system. So this is the seat. You will have it comfortable, put on your car seat, and you have all the leashes that you need to buckle your dog. Let's try it. As you can see, we are now ready to install it and try it with our puppy. Let's go to the car. So now we are going to install it. Okay, you have this strap to put it in the back. Okay, and of course you want to adjust it so the back is straight up. Okay, you have this button accessory here. Okay, perfect. Now the back is ready. Remember, you have this cushion for your pet, and when we put it here, we are going to buckle him with this buckle, or even you could buckle it to the car, or both. So you are, so you know your pet won't go away. Okay. So you have your own buckle from the seat, or an extra buckle in the car spot. Okay. Let's bring Choco for take it for a ride. He's ready for a ride. We're going to put him in the seat, and we're going to buckle him to the seat and also to the car's buckle, so he's comfortable. Now, you can see Choco is ready for a ride, and he can look through the window if he wants, or play around the car a little bit, but being able to rest in the car seat, in the pet's car seat. Okay? If you bring your pet with you, if you like to take it with you everywhere, this car seat is a great option. Thank you.